we'll be chilling and
It's Christmas.
good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter. It's
Merry Christmas from the Williams family to yours.
Hey guys, good morning. Been up for a little bit. I am exhausted. I've been up cleaning. Mario, no! Sorry guys, I've been up cleaning. Dirty. You have to go wash it off. You need to wipe. Faye, pass me there's something there. A little water and wash this off, please. So as you can see, the beautiful blue skies here. Going this way. The beautiful blue skies. I'm currently sitting on my partial veranda that's not finished. Yeah, so I'm just taking a break. We're just cleaning the windows. I guess we do Christmas. I always say I call it Christmas cleaning. So we're here doing that. What is that? Look, it's a grasshopper.
Oh shit.
Is this so little? And we're here doing Christmas cleaning.
Don't
I just
come,
have
sit
some
down.
tea
Sit down,
and
drink it.
oh. I should do laundry, but I have to go start the laundry. I need to wash out some stuff. You know, say I have clothes and stuff that's been here, and I need to wash. I'm still jumping. So we're here sitting. Let's see, pops. And fish there. I feel like a grasshopper. Mario running all over the place, so he's thirsty. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're currently here doing.
Right, that's all underneath top.
Mario, clean the windows. He's finishing cleaning the windows now. I see a culprit there. Oh. Man, I kind of have to work, do what I can and stop, because
I have 1 week and 1 more day.
But your boy. Oh my gosh, I should have got a pole for him. Papa, you look like you need one pole. I need one pole, one little pole. So as we are cleaning the window, we're playing in the water from morning.
What are you doing?
Oh gosh, he doesn't want to be inside, he just wants to be outside roaming around. Oh, what? Where's I in there cook? Oh, where's I make tea? Hey, no, no. Hey, sit, Papa, sit. Mario, you're gonna clean these windows too here? Mario? What do you mean how we drop? You have things to do, so this is not a part of it?
No.
Come on. What are you doing? What things you have to do? Huh? What things you have to do?
Did you feel rain?
Rain?
You don't feel it?
I don't know. Say good morning to the people then.
Good morning.
People, animals.
Can I show my big belly?
No, may I show off your small belly?
Oh my gosh, mommy.
Hmm?
One little baby had come in there, so. Last night. Me go around there, that's how much you saw the flashlight. What time if he's around there asleep, you know?
I'm not going to sleep unless if the lizard is killed.
So how you leave your suburbs? You bush them.
Remember you left Iraq?
Let them move.
That come down.
But you can move, you can sit there still bush up. Weed up the bush there, sir.
Where is it?
See there, sir. I did try to put it this up, but I couldn't. Something there. What is that shower? It's gonna rain. That's crazy. Well, I did drip a little bit. But I still have so much to do, so I'm just resting because I'm supposed to be taking it easy. The doctor said I'm not supposed to overexert myself, so.
Me too.
So, yeah, not doing too much.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi.
Guys, as you see, I'm currently doing laundry. Slate, start, late. Start. I came back earlier and said I was gonna do laundry today. But guys, after, as I showed you the other clip before, I was, Mario was putting in some insect screens, building them and putting them in the rooms and the hallway, because he didn't do that last year when he was here, so had to definitely get done this year. I was just tired. So, let me see. Oh, this thing was locked. So what I had to do was I just showered Romario, bathed myself, and literally went and lay down. Like, that just shows you how tired I was. I'm still trying to take it easy. I find that I get winded very quickly. But trying not to overwork myself. Yeah, definitely. I'm trying not to overwork myself at all. So, but you know, like they said, things need to get done, because you don't get it done, who's going to do it? So, and these are some of the clothes that are here that I'm rinsing out. That was here before, that definitely need rinsing. So, well, not rinse, wash. So I'm doing that, and like my towels and stuff. So I'm just to do laundry in general. Yeah, because I need things done clean. I need this house cleaned up. So that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to get this house cleaned up. As you see, no work has been, other work has been done on the house since last year. But I'll take you guys shoes. So right now I'm currently in the bathroom. So the other day we did go, oh, this is not sitting high. The other day we did go and get the tiles for the bathroom. Yeah, so we did go and get the tile for this bathroom. So cool temperature. Oh, hold on. see this thing. Quick wash. I want a normal wash. Actually, maybe we should do it. May I see if the water turned on? Man, the water turned on. Every time I go on different machine, different setting. So, what did it look like? Hold on. I see no water leaking into this thing. Okay. Let me make sure I turn on the water. Hold on, guys. It's already set up, you know, so it should be working. And then you hear the water going through the pipe. Hold on, I might have to go screw this off. Screw.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure